lost memories. I'm not talking about people losing their memories. I'm talking about people that have lost volumes of photos of family heirlooms, items, to tragedy, to floods, fires, events that were non-controllable nor foreseeable. And they're gone. Once they're gone, they're gone. They're just gone forever. It's not about I'll remember them. It's about their triggers that actually give you memories. You know, you look at an old photo and the first thing you look at is that me in that photo? You know, what was I thinking wearing those clothes? Or what's my hair doing like that? I still have hair, of course. But, and it's the styles, the times, and all the memories that come back through that, as well as it was just a silly photo at the time. Right now, it's a precious memory. Because sometimes in photos we see people that we know and have a bit of a laugh at or poke fun at. Can you believe you wore your hair like that, or your clothes like that, or that was the style back then? What about those people that are not around with us anymore in those photos? That's a pretty big loss. And I can't fathom it because I haven't experienced it myself. But I can sure, I've heard stories from people that have told me that they've lost everything and have lost everything. Some people, they'll never get it back. Some people captured it. Fortunately enough, those people that captured it, you know, they got the stories there. They can actually put that information. But even then, some people are a bit, well, I've got it on photos on my phone or on a storage device of some kind or something, but I'm also, now what do I do with them? You know, I don't want to go through that again. This is one of the core reasons why we created 4ever Story. Because usually in most of our families' houses, there's a box somewhere or a case or a chest or something full of memories that are at risk of being lost forever. And we don't want that. We really don't. And we don't want to think, oh, we should have done that, or maybe we could have done that, or I'll get to it one day. We all know one day doesn't come around. We all know that. So one day's today. One day's now. Take 5 minutes out. You don't have to finish it, just start it. Get a couple of photos. Put it on 4ever Story. Put a little message behind it. Then come back and do it again. And start doing it a couple more times. It really gives you a peace of mind. Gives you a sense of security that you've done it. And just remember, because you've done it one way, you can edit it again. As the owner of that story, you can do that. More importantly, it's a peace of mind that you have that. And then you start building upon it. That is a very good feeling and a very safe feeling. That is 4ever Story. Thank you.